Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the way businesses operate. AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. By mimicking these cognitive abilities, AI offers businesses unprecedented opportunities for growth and innovation. AI is important for modern businesses because it can help them become more efficient, productive, and profitable. For example, AI can automate tasks, improve decision-making, and create new products and services. In today's fast-paced and competitive market, businesses that embrace AI have a significant advantage. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it is already transforming industries worldwide. From healthcare to finance to retail, AI is revolutionizing how businesses operate and interact with their customers. AI-powered chatbots provide instant customer support, while AI algorithms personalize marketing campaigns. The possibilities with AI are endless. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications that will further transform the business landscape. By understanding and embracing AI, businesses can position themselves for success in the years to come. Integrating AI into your business might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. By taking a strategic and measured approach, businesses of all sizes can harness the power of AI. Here are some initial steps to guide your AI implementation journey. First, identify your business goals. What do you hope to achieve with AI? Whether it's automating tasks, improving customer service, or gaining a competitive edge, clearly define your objectives. This will help you choose the right AI solutions for your specific needs. Next, assess your current capabilities. Do you have the necessary data infrastructure and technical expertise to support AI implementation? Evaluate your resources and identify any gaps that need to be addressed before proceeding. Once you have a clear understanding of your goals and capabilities, develop a roadmap for AI implementation. This roadmap should outline the steps involved, the timeline for implementation, and the resources required. A well-defined roadmap will ensure a smooth and successful AI adoption process. Remember, AI implementation is a journey, not a destination. Start with small, manageable projects to test the waters and gain experience. As you gain confidence and expertise, you can gradually expand your AI initiatives. AI is not just a theoretical concept, it is already making a tangible impact across various industries. By automating tasks, improving decision-making, and enhancing customer experiences, AI is transforming how businesses operate and compete. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots provide instant support, answer questions, and resolve issues quickly and efficiently. These chatbots can handle a high volume of inquiries simultaneously, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. In marketing, AI analyzes vast amounts of customer data to create personalized campaigns. By understanding customer preferences and behaviors, AI algorithms can target the right audience with the right message at the right time, improving campaign effectiveness and ROI. AI is also revolutionizing operations. In manufacturing, AI-powered systems optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and improve quality control. This leads to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved product quality. These examples highlight the transformative power of AI across different sectors. By embracing AI, businesses can unlock new possibilities, optimize their operations, and gain a competitive edge in today's rapidly evolving market. As with any transformative technology, adopting AI comes with its own set of challenges. Businesses need to be aware of these challenges and develop strategies to overcome them. One of the biggest challenges is the need for skilled personnel. AI requires a specific skill set, and there is a shortage of qualified AI professionals. Businesses need to invest in training and development programs to upskill their workforce and attract top talent in the AI field. Another challenge is ensuring data privacy and security. AI relies heavily on data, and businesses need to handle this data responsibly and ethically. Implementing robust data governance policies and complying with relevant regulations is crucial for building trust and mitigating risks. Despite the challenges, the future of AI is bright. Advancements in AI technology are happening at an unprecedented pace, and new trends are emerging that will further transform the business landscape. One such trend is the rise of edge AI, where AI algorithms are processed locally on devices instead of in the cloud. This allows for faster processing times and reduces reliance on network connectivity. Edge AI is particularly beneficial for businesses operating in remote locations or with limited internet access. Another trend is the increasing use of AI for cybersecurity. As cyber attacks become more sophisticated, businesses are turning to AI to detect and prevent threats in real time. AI-powered security systems can analyze network traffic, identify anomalies, and respond to threats more effectively than traditional security measures. In conclusion, AI is no longer a futuristic concept but a present-day reality. By embracing AI, businesses can unlock new possibilities, optimize their operations, and gain a competitive edge. While challenges exist, the future of AI is promising, and businesses that adapt and innovate will thrive in the AI-driven economy.